My name is Angela Wendler, and I received my treatment at the Arthritis Knee Pain Center. I started having knee pain probably 16 years ago when I started to play tennis. It was the first time I tore my meniscus. Since then, have torn my meniscus on my other knee, not once, but 3 times. Have had those surgeries and finally got to a point where on one knee, the doctor said, have a great time because I'm not scoping you anymore. You don't have much cartilage left. And so live it up because at some point you'll need a knee replacement. And that's the bottom line. I lived with it for about 5 months. I would just get up in the middle of the night and walk around because I literally could not drug myself any more than I was. So I thought maybe, okay, there's a stress fracture. I didn't want to hear that there was a stress fracture because I was really worried about no tennis, no Orange Theory, no this, no that. So I came here in hopes that they would tell me there's something they could do for me. They suggested the gel injections, and the process I've already had done on one knee and completed. It's been great. I'm sleeping through the night. I do have occasional pain, but knowing the amount of arthritis that's in my knees, I'm just happy to be able to get up, do what I want to do on my terms. It really changed things for me. I'm back full force to doing what I like to do, which may or may not be great for it, but at the same time, the gel injections allow me to do what I want to do. For the most part, it has been a lifesaver, especially for sleep.